Good morning, guys, in Claudia's Cucina. I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of it's not like one of the fall products, it's like the fall product. So I thought I'd come on here real quick before I head to the gym because I am out of almond milk, and I've had this bad boy for a couple weeks now, and I've been testing it, and I'm converted. I feel like I can be that Pinterest mom that makes her own almond milk. I'm like so excited. So I thought I would just come on and show you guys how easy it is to make almond milk and how long it takes, and then tell you a little bit about the new Deluxe cooking blender available September 1st, or available for pre-orders right now as well. So anyway, so basically I had no clue. Literally, like I'm telling you guys, I had no clue how to make almond milk. I'm like, I'm not doing that. That sounds like way too much work. I'll just buy it at Aldi's. It's all cool. Well, until I had to test it and realize that, wow, does that taste different than almond milk from the store? So I had almonds soaking in water right here in our classic batter bowl. 1 cup of almonds. I don't even measure the water. I just add water and I let it soak overnight. Now I just drained the water and added 5 cups of fresh water, all right? Makes the same sound as our quick cooker, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna pour the almonds in the water right in our Deluxe cooking blender. This is just 1 cup of almonds, all right? And hopefully I'll be able to talk while this goes. So make sure that the lid is locked. It does not work unless the lid is locked the right way. So we have all kinds of different settings here. Let me see if I can bring you over here. Good morning, guys. So all kinds of different settings. So we have a smoothie setting, alternate milk setting, which is the one that we're going to use today. We have a grind setting for peanut butter, wheat berries, stuff like that. Guys, this has a heated wash cycle. It cleans itself, okay? Heated wash cycle right here. So once you're done, you throw water in it, sink of soap, and it wash stuff. And then these are our hot cooking cycle. So you can make soup in it. It cooks all your vegetables from raw. You can make a heated puree. You can make jam, guys. It brings it to the right temperature and everything. And you can make sauce, like tomato sauce and all that fun stuff. So we're going to turn this to the alternate milk setting. That takes 5 minutes. Now I'm probably not going to sit here for 5 minutes and talk about it, but I am going to give you some tips along the way. So I just want to show you guys how this works. So I'm going to click go. And for 5 minutes, it's going to blend and grind and heat it up and do. So it stops and starts and does all it's on its own. It's pre-programmed. So all this is pre-programmed. Hopefully you guys can hear me if I come a little closer and you can still see it. But it's got pre-programmed settings. So you literally push a button and you walk away. Once it's done, I'm going to use the mesh strainer, just strain out the pulp, put it in a glass bowl, and my almond milk is done. It's really that simple. So anyway, so this is our new Deluxe cooking blender. If you follow me on YouTube, there's a couple of videos of unboxing the box, making jam, making smoothies. Yeah, I make jam now. I never thought I would be that mom either. And homemade peanut butter. But it's a very powerful cooking blender. You can compare it a little bit to the Vitamix, but the Vitamix only heats with friction versus this actually brings it up to a specific temperature. And it actually cooks your food. It is about half the price of a Vitamix. It's $3.49 and 60% off in September when you host a virtual in-home party. So you can get this bad boy for $140. Like, hello, it's like cheaper than standing in line on Black Friday for a blender. I never had a Vitamix, however I had a Ninja, and that's gone because this thing, like, can you just hear it? It's like so much more powerful. It doesn't shake, it's not wobbly. It's just so solid, and I'm definitely super impressed. So just stay tuned. I'll be featuring all kinds of different things, but I just want to show you guys that literally it's 5 minutes. By the time I fry my egg this morning, my almond milk's going to be done to go in my next cup of coffee. So let me know what you guys think. I'm pretty impressed. I have been playing with it for about 4 to 6 weeks, I think, and we've made all kinds of stuff. The kids love it. We made milkshakes. It's just amazing. So just wanted to pop on and give you guys a sneak peek. Let me know what you think. Bye, guys.